Hello everyone. Let's evaluate this problem very quickly. Okay, so we have square root of 9 minus square root of 8. Now, you'll be tempted to say square root of 9 minus square root of 8 is square root of 1, but that is not correct. So what do? Let's go this way. 9 is a perfect square, so its square root will be 3. Then minus, we have in place of root 8, we write 4 multiplied by 2, so that we can get the square root of 4. So we are going to have square root of 3 minus 2 root 2. This is what we have. Square root of 4 is 2, then we have root 2. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to break 3 into 2, so we have 2 plus 1, then minus 2 root 2. Now, to continue with this, we can equally separate what we have here. I'll write 2 first, then minus 2 root 2, then I have plus 1. Everything is under the square root sign. But do you know that if you have a minus b to the power of 2, it is the same thing as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared? Okay, I believe you are aware of this, right? So if this is the case, we can compare what we have here. We can compare what we have here right away, so that if you're going to compare, it means that let's use this middle term here, this middle expression, 2ab. Okay, so our a is going to be root 2. So we can write our a as square root of 2. And then what will be our b? What will be our b? Now, if you are still going to compare this, right? Remember, even if I multiply b, if I take b to be 1, and I say 1 multiplied by whatever I have here, it will not change anything. So we can have our b to be 1. Mind you, b squared, right? So b squared is 1. So even if I say 1 squared, it will still give us 1. So our a is root 2 and our b is 1. So that if we continue, we can now express the whole of this in the form of this. The whole of this in the form of this. So we now write square root of, okay, so in place of this, I'll write a is root 2, then minus, my b is now 1, so I can write 1 over here, and whatever I have, I raise it to the power of 2. Now, what happens is this and this can cancel, so we now have square root of 2 minus 1. Okay, so that from here, it becomes simple for us, as we can now find the square root of 2, then subtract 1 from it. Okay, so if you want to have your answer in decimal, square root of 2 is approximately 1.4, and then we have minus 1. This will be approximately 0.4. Thank you for watching.